Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising down an open highway, the road stretching endlessly ahead of you, the sky slowly changing colors as the sun begins to set. There's no rush. No stress. Just you, the road, and the quiet comfort of knowing that wherever you decide to stop tonight, home is already with you. But instead of sitting inside a regular car or SUV, you're relaxing inside a motorhome that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. Soft lighting surrounds you, wide windows frame the scenery outside, and everything you need is right there within arm's reach. Now here's the part that shocks most people. This isn't some brand new startup RV brand or a futuristic concept vehicle. This is GMC. A name that made motorhome history decades ago. And in 2025, GMC has brought that legendary idea back in a way no one really expected. Today, we're taking a deep look at the 2025 GMC Motorhome, a classic-inspired RV that's turning heads, starting conversations, and honestly, surprising just about everyone who sees it. If you know motorhome history, then you already understand why this matters. GMC once built one of the most unique motorhomes the world had ever seen. It was low, wide, front-wheel drive, and unlike anything else on the road at the time. It didn't just follow trends, it created them. Fast forward to today, and RV buyers want something different. They want comfort without feeling outdated. They want modern technology without losing personality. And they want a motorhome that feels good to drive, not just something that looks nice when parked. That's exactly where the 2025 GMC Motorhome fits in. It doesn't try to copy the past, and it doesn't try too hard to be futuristic. Instead, it respects its roots while bringing everything forward into the modern lifestyle. The moment you see it from the outside, you can tell this motorhome is different. It sits lower than most RVs on the road, giving it a sleek and confident stance. There's no tall, boxy shape here. Instead, the body looks smooth and purposeful, designed to move through the air more efficiently. Up front, the GMC identity is unmistakable. A bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a clean, modern face give it presence without being aggressive. Along the sides, the design stays simple and elegant. The lines flow naturally, the panels are clean, and the large tinted windows instantly stand out. These windows aren't just for style. They bring light into the interior and connect you with the outside world. The wheels are wide and solid, built for stability, and thanks to the low center of gravity, this motorhome feels planted and confident even before you start driving. From the exterior alone, it's clear this RV was designed to be driven, not just parked at a campsite. Step inside, and the experience completely changes your expectations. Instead of feeling cramped or dark like many motorhomes, the interior feels open, calm, and surprisingly modern. Light colors, soft materials, and smart design choices make the space feel welcoming the moment you enter. The living area opens up around you with comfortable seating that feels more like real home furniture than RV cushions. Large panoramic windows wrap around the space, filling the interior with natural light and making every drive or stop feel more immersive. Whether you're parked near the ocean, in the mountains, or just taking a break at a roadside stop, the view becomes part of the experience. Storage is cleverly hidden throughout the cabin, with cabinets blending into the walls so nothing feels cluttered. Everything has its place, and the space stays clean and relaxing. This doesn't feel like a temporary living space. It feels like a mobile living room built for real life on the road. As you move into the kitchen area, the thoughtful design continues. This isn't a tiny corner with barely enough room to prepare a meal. The kitchen feels usable and practical, with a full countertop, a modern sink, an induction cooktop, and a proper refrigerator. Everything is positioned exactly where you expect it to be, making cooking simple and stress-free. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, making coffee in the morning, or cooking a full meal after a long drive, the space works with you, not against you. The dining area is flexible and comfortable, perfect for eating, relaxing, or even working while you travel. This is a kitchen designed for people who actually live on the road, not just weekend campers. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area delivers exactly what you want after a long day of driving. The bedroom feels calm and private, with soft lighting and quality materials that help you unwind. The bed is positioned for comfort, surrounded by storage and smooth surfaces that make the space feel organized and peaceful. You don't feel boxed in or cramped. You feel relaxed. The bathroom continues that same thoughtful approach. Clean lines, modern fixtures, and a proper shower make it feel more like a small hotel bathroom than an RV one. Ventilation, lighting, and storage are all well planned, making this a space you'll actually enjoy using rather than rushing through. And then there's the driving experience, which is where the 2025 GMC Motorhome really surprises people. This motorhome is built to drive smoothly and confidently. Modern suspension tuning and a powerful yet efficient drivetrain make highway cruising feel stable and quiet. Long drives feel easier, city driving feels manageable, and you never feel disconnected from the road. Inside, modern technology keeps everything simple and intuitive. Large digital displays, backup and surround view cameras, smart climate control, and advanced safety systems all work together without overwhelming you. Everything feels natural, familiar, and easy to use. This is a motorhome you can actually enjoy driving for hours at a time. So why does the 2025 GMC Motorhome still shock everyone? Because it does what most RVs fail to do. It blends classic GMC Motorhome DNA with modern luxury, comfort, and real-world drivability. It doesn't feel outdated, and it doesn't feel overdone. It feels balanced. It feels confident. And most importantly, it feels like something built for people who truly love the road. Now I want to hear from you. Would you take this motorhome on a cross-country road trip, or would you use it as a luxury weekend escape? Let me know in the comments which features stood out to you the most. The 2025 GMC Motorhome isn't just an RV. It's a reminder that great ideas never really disappear. They just come back stronger. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more motorhome and lifestyle content, and I'll see you in the next one.